It may be work, it may be fun. At times it's hard to tell. That's living life with Jerry and Mel.
It might be raining, it might be cold, but we're gonna live it, find that pot of gold.
Cooking in the kitchen or firing up the grill, that's living life with Jerry and Mel. That's living life with Jerry and Mel.
Hello, welcome to the kitchen. Melody's not here right now. She'll be back a little later to help me with this, but I wanted to go ahead and get started. Tonight we're going to do something. We're going to do some chicken tenders, but I'm going to do it in my air fryer. A lot of people have asked me about that, and this is how I do it. So basically I've got about 2 pounds of chicken tenders. I think there was about 12. These are pretty good sized ones. Gave less than $6 for it, for the whole bag. First thing you do is pour a little extra virgin olive oil in here. You just really, in this portion here, you want to just get it coated. This is the first step. It doesn't take a lot. That olive oil will go a long way. Okay, once you get the olive oil good and mixed in all over all the pieces, the next thing you want to do is just season it. You can season it any way you want. I put in 2 things. I put black pepper. So let's put a little black pepper in here. And if you've followed our videos before, you know we like black pepper. The other thing is paprika. It gives it just a little bit of a spicy taste, and you'll see how this chicken almost turns red here. Close up the bag, kind of shake it up. Alright, and I'll take this right here and we'll put this in the refrigerator until we decide we're ready to cook a little later on tonight. May shake it up a little more, but right now you've got this chicken ready. You can do the breading, and we'll go over to breading here in the next scene. We'll see you. All right, welcome back to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. We're in the kitchen again, and we're going to start these chicken tenders. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to roll it in a little bit of this Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. You want to do it real light. The second thing we'll do is she's going to sprinkle some breadcrumbs on there, and then we'll spray it with some of this canola oil. All right. I'm going to do about 5 or 6 on them here. So you just put it in there like this and flip it, because you don't, you know, when you do it in an air fryer, it's not, you don't want it loaded up like you would if you were frying it in oil. So let me get a few of these on there for step 1. This seasoned flour is good because it does give it a good taste. All right. Do just a couple of more here.
And I'm just lightly sprinkling some breadcrumbs on the first side.
We'll start with that.
I'm going to spray them with a little bit of oil.
Because the oil, when you spray the canola oil on there, and this spray has 0 calories, 0 fat. It's a a good light way to do this type of stuff. You know, it makes it healthier and it's cheaper. We get to use our air fryer. So that's what they look like before they go in the air fryer, right? All right. Okay, so now we need to go over here, pull out the air fryer, and preheat it. So we're just hitting air fry. We do it at 390 degrees. We're going to do this for 4 minutes. Preheating the air fryer. Air fried chicken. All right, we're preheated. So now Melody's going to take that out, spray the inside with some canola oil. All right, that's good. Now just take a few of our chicken pieces and lay them in there. Maybe 4 of them. And you don't want them to be touching. Let me get a little bit better shot. There we go. All right. We'll put them in there on air fry for about 7 minutes. And start. All right. So we'll come. All right, the timer just went off. Can you see that? Can you hear it? It's actually frying in there, but just not in a bunch of oil. So just go in and just flip it. It's kind of, one thing about it is it's a little hard to get inside there because you don't want to burn your arm. All right, so I'm going to put this in. Well, they rolled out of the way there. Put it back in now for about 2 minutes. And we'll come back and check it then. GoPro, turn on.
Okay, the timer went off, so now we're going to take the first batch out and put another batch in.
Okay. Yeah, just put it in there, it'll be fine. Okay. So I'll get it air fry, and we're gonna do 7 minutes. And we'll come back. All right, well, we've got some chicken cooked. We're not completely done, but got a girl here that's wanting to go ahead and start eating. So here is you a taste tester.
Thanks.
And here's me and you one. Let's see what we got here. How is it?
Good.
5 star. All right, that is how we do air fried chicken tenders here in the kitchen.
And they're grandchild approved.
Yep, that's right.
Bye.
Move your hand. All right. If you like it, like the video, subscribe to it, and we'll see you again on Living Life.
Bye.
With Jerry and Mel.
Bye.
Bye.
Go.
It might be raining, it might be cold, but we're gonna live it, find that pot of gold.
Cooking in the kitchen or firing up the grill, that's living life.